Super quick tips to optimize your PC. First, go down to the search bar, type in adjust, best performance apply. Okay, search bar defrag, optimize drives, fuse all your drives, click optimize. Search bar, type in disk, turn on disk cleanup, select everything, okay. Press Ctrl Shift and escape at the same time. Click on the startup tab, disable everything. If you have Discord, go down to settings, scroll down, game overlay, turn off. If you have Steam, click on Steam, settings, go down to in-game overlay, off. Search bar, display, change resolution, go down to advanced display settings. Search bar, type in game, select game mode settings, game mode on, go to game bar, make sure it's off. Go over here to graphics settings in the game mode, turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If you notice stutters, turn this off. Go down to notifications, turn this off. If you have NVIDIA, right-click your desktop, NVIDIA control panel, adjust settings, let the 3D app decide. If you change your settings to reset them, go down here, click restore. Yes, restore in the top right. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.